An environment means the surroundings or the conditions in which a person, animal, or plant lives. It is the sum total of all the living and non-living elements and their effects on human life. Living elements include animals, plants, forests, fisheries, and birds, whereas non-living elements include water, land, sunlight, rocks, and air. Other names for environment include natural world, nature, ecosystem, the biosphere, Mother Nature, wildlife, habitat, territory, home, domain, environ, and so on. Environment basically involves physical, chemical, and other natural forces. A good environment is where every element of the earth is comfortable, and a bad environment is where no element feels comfortable. The characteristics of a good environment, as explained by the World Health Organization, include clean air, stable climate, clean and adequate water, safe use of chemicals, sanitation and hygiene, healthy and safe workplaces, protection from harmful radiation, well-organized buildings and infrastructure, good agricultural practices, good medical care, and a preserved environment. Some other characteristics of a good environment are toilet facilities, good waste disposal, smooth water channels, mental health and well-being, sounds and sight, safety and accessibility. The environment is destroyed due to unhealthy practices, also known as environmental degradation, which include deforestation, overpopulation and urbanization, burning of fossil fuels, overgrazing, building in wetlands, overexploitation of natural resources, wrong waste disposal, bush burning, noise making, and pollution. Pollution, which includes smoking, harmful pesticides, harmful paints, plastics, harmful gases, chemicals, and fumes. Environmental degradation happens due to lack of enforcement of environmental protection and management laws by the relevant authorities. Effects of environmental deterioration are negative impact on human life and even death. For example, respiratory diseases and cardiovascular diseases. There is famine and starvation due to lack of food, drought and terminal dehydration due to water shortage, scarcity of natural resources, increased poverty, war and human rights abuses, soil erosion, wildlife destruction and extinction of species, climate change and weather extremes, global warming, ozone layer depletion, loss of ecotourism, natural calamities or disasters, for example floods, earthquakes, desertification, and more. Point to note, climate change is a change in regional or global climate patterns. It is possible to protect and restore the environment. Spreading awareness, good waste management and recycling, avoiding deforestation, reducing consumption, introducing afforestation, which is the planting of trees, volunteer cleanups in communities, water conservation, avoid single-use plastics, do not encroach on wetlands, for example swamps, stop poaching, which is the killing of wildlife, car engine oil recycling, do not litter carelessly anywhere, which includes roads and highways. There is need for proper government regulation and enforcement of environmental protection and management laws. Remember, you and I have the responsibility of protecting our planet Earth.